Alienware does make some insane 240Hz monitor, especially for gaming and for the production people like who works, Photoshop or like high editing stuff. I actually do have a recommendation for that. It's worth every penny. I have 3 monitors in my studio, but I still want this one just because it comes with a hell of insane features. This is the best Alienware monitor for around $300 you guys can get, which is not that expensive, not that cheap as well. But it's the best gaming monitor you guys can get right now. Wanna know how? It's 25-inch. It's 240Hz. IPS display. It comes with all the RGB gimmick that a gamer wants to look good, in front of the friends. RGB on a monitor, how insane is that, right? Oh my god. Plus, you guys can... it's high adjustable, made of solid metal. It's made of metal. Yes, I'm not lying. I mean, not about the monitor, but at the stand, it's heavy metal. Trust me, it's a really heavy-duty metal. It's like you can just pick it up, throw it at somebody, they probably die. They're gonna die. So that's what's up. But I don't recommend it, but I'm just saying, you guys can do it. I won't recommend that, but you guys can do it, to be honest. Yeah. It's high adjustable. You guys can tilt it 90 degrees in the portrait mode, as well as you guys can turn it in any way you guys want. And oh my god, that RGB strip at the back. I know you guys cannot see it for the people who just probably looking at the stuff at the back, but for the people who have the setups, upside down, I mean, on the other side of the room or somewhere in the middle, this will look sick. It will give you like an elegant, futuristic, techish look to your setup. So I highly recommend picking this monitor. It's one of the best ones up there, guys. With that, you guys get a USB 3.0 at the bottom of the monitor, plus audio jack to plug in audio jack if you guys want to plug your headphones. And it also, you guys can plug your mic in it, because this monitor also have mic connection, which is a back of the monitor, and it's actually got a great technology inbuilt on the monitor to reduce the mic background noise. It's called the mic background reduction or something like that. Look how slick that monitor looks with the setup. Like, it's a beefy monitor, great quality. It's 25 inches, 240Hz, 1 ms response time. Great deal to pick it up. The color is great. I love the matte finish on it. It's just hell of a beauty right there, guys. Like, what a beautiful product in general.